Ahlan wa sahlan, and welcome to Unit 9, Part 2. In this video, we will cover Hamza al-Wasl, prepositions, roots and patterns, and Arabic roots and the Arabic dictionary. This video is brought to you by the Critical Language Service. To learn more about our Arabic classes taught via telepresence for schools and other small groups, visit our website at www.criticallanguageservice.com.
Now, let's take a look at some preposition in Arabic. The first preposition is from. If you want to use from in Arabic, you will say min, means going from a place of origin. For instance, if you want to say I'm from Egypt, you would say أنا من مصر. Or if you want to say I came from home, you would say أنا جيت من البيت. Next is the preposition in or at. In Arabic we say fi, and it is used for location in time and space. For instance, if you want to say there are 3 students in the class, you say في 3 طلاب في الصف. Or if you want to say in the morning, you would say في الصباح. Notice صباح, the صاد is a sun letter, so we say في الصباح. The next one is the preposition with. When we use it with an instrument, in Arabic it is b. For instance, if I want to say I want a tea with milk, I would say أريد شاي بالحليب. Notice that ba will attach to the next word. Therefore, if I want to write بالحليب, I will write it like this. Ba attaches. Notice the ba here, it is attached to the word al-halib. When you use the preposition with people, then we say ma'a. For instance, if I want to say I'm with my friend, I would say أنا مع صديقي. Ba and min. Most prepositions end in a vowel. Min, however, doesn't. So it is necessary to add a helping vowel. So let's take a look at the example min al-bayt. As you see, saying min bayt is difficult. Therefore, we add fatha, then it becomes min al-bayt. Another example with min is min al-saf. It is difficult to say min saf, therefore we add fatha to make pronunciation easier. So we say min as-saf. Another example is min as-sayyara. Again, we add fatha to min to make the pronunciation easier. So we say min as-sayyara. Now let's take example of some word with the one-letter preposition b. One important thing to remember is that all one-letter words attach to the word that follows them. Here we have example that we saw before. For instance, tea with milk, we say it in Arabic شاي بالحليب. You see here, ba is attached to the word al-halib as we explained earlier. Another example that we will learn later in the next books is the preposition la, because it's one letter preposition, so it gets connected to the next word. It's just the letter lam. For example, the word lil madrasa. we attach lam to the word madrasa. Hamzat al-wasl, eligible Hamza. Eligible means that when preceded by another word, the Hamza and its vowel drop in both pronunciation and writing. For instance, in the phrase fil bayt, there should be normally Hamza and Fatha on the word al-bayt. And because of the Hamzat al-wasl, we drop the Hamza and Fatha. And we place it with the sign of Hamzat al-wasl. Again, like this. It is basically like a fish with an open tail. And the result is that the alif is not pronounced. And instead of saying fi al-bayt, we change it to fil bayt. Ya get connected to lam directly. That's the function of Hamzat al-wasl. Let's examine the phrase fil jami'ah. The word al-jami'ah has Hamza and Fatha. But when we have the phrase fil jami'ah, Hamza and Fatha are dropped and are replaced with Hamzat al-wasl. And we don't pronounce alif. Therefore, the letters ya and lam gets connected without pausing. For instance, instead of saying fi al-jami'ah, we say fil jami'ah, fil jami'ah. In this section, we talk about roots and patterns. You've learned that Arabic words are usually formed from a core of 3 consonants called the root of the word. We also earlier explained that the root functions form the basic meaning and allow for other words with related meanings to be formed by adding letters to form different patterns and syllable structures. So let's take a look at some example. For instance, the word jamil, which means beautiful, the root for the word jamil are the letter jim, mim, and lam, which is jamala. So if I want to make a new word, I will take the root jamal la, and I will add alif to the beginning of the roots. Then we have the word ajmal, which means most beautiful. Now the second example is the word kabir, and the root are the 3 letters ka, ba, and ra, kabar. So now I want to make a new word. I take the root and I write the word kabira with tha marbuta at the end. And notice we have also the letter ya, which is not part of the root. The word kabira means big, which is used as adjective for feminine. It is used to describe feminine nouns and feminine people. And the last example is the word qasir. The root letter are qaf, sad, and ra. And here we can make the word maqsoor from the root qaf, sad, ra. Maqsoor means shortened. As you see here, we add the letter mim and waw to the root. Roots and the Arabic dictionary. Knowing the roots of words is key to using many Arabic dictionaries. The reason that roots are important is that, For instance, in dictionaries, in Arabic dictionaries, the words are organized by root. For instance, if you want to find the meaning of a word, first you have to find the root in the dictionary. The root will be listed on the top of the page. For instance, let's say the root katab, writing. And different words which are formed from the root comes under the root. For instance, you will have the word kitab, which is made from the root katab. The next word is katib, which means writer. And you will also find the word maktub. And on this page also, you might see other root on the top, such as kabara, in the middle of the page you might see other root, which kathara, and as we explained with the root katab, different variations comes under that root. And in many electronic dictionaries nowadays, you can just type the word and you don't have to find the root. And if you have an iPad, there are a lot of free Arabic dictionaries. So once again, to make it clear, if you want to find the definition of kitab, you would find it under the root katab. And you will go down, and next to the word kitab, you will see the definition. Identifying roots is easy for words like ashrab, which the root is sharab, sheen, ra, and ba. And the root for the word kitab is katab, kaf, ta, and ba. These are easy. Other words have consonants that are part of the pattern, not the root. These words might be difficult to find the root because you might get confused, or you might find it difficult to find the consonant that are part of the pattern from the letters which are part of the root. For instance, let's examine the word mabsut. What do you think are the root letters? They are ba, sin, and ta. As you see, the word mabsut is not easy as the words ashrab or kitab to find the root, because we here have the letters mim and waw, which are part of the pattern and not the root, and the root is not connected all with each other.